Mike, you got some good trades today, man.
No, we got some monsters, bro. We got some monsters. I mean, I'll recap kind of trades of the day for you guys today. We'll start things off with NVIDIA. We absolutely destroyed this trade. So we got long NVIDIA yesterday at 428. If you guys caught the live stream, I was going over with members that I just felt that this stock was really set for a breakout move. And, there's two things working at play here on NVIDIA. Yesterday, I went over with you guys why I loved NVIDIA so much for this breakout move was because you had a technical catalyst, so a technical setup on the chart that looks bullish, also lining up with multiple fundamental catalysts. When you have a situation where fundamental catalyst lines up with a technical setup, that's a grade A setup. Go after it every time. That's what we saw with NVIDIA. NVIDIA got over a key resistance level. There was only two resistance levels left on NVIDIA. Yesterday, you'll see this 432 was a level of resistance. I'll just circle it for you so you guys can see, right? You guys can see this resistance level here at 432. There's double top, right, over these 2 days. So that resistance there, double top, 1, 2 at 432. Yesterday, we broke through that level, and you only had one resistance level left, and that was the all-time high that was put in place a few weeks ago. You also had an increase in volume on yesterday's breakout day through that area of resistance. But the fundamental catalyst is really what drove the premise behind this breakout and this follow-through move. What are those fundamental catalysts? Well, smaller catalysts. NVIDIA investing $50 million into a drug development company to use their technology to get involved with drug development. So NVIDIA just continues to use their technology to expand into different industries and different sectors. What companies do you know that have done something similar to that successfully? Use their technology to expand into other industries. Apple, Alphabet, right? Amazon. Right. These are the biggest companies in the world that have been able to successfully do that. And NVIDIA is also doing that with their technology and with their ability with AI. But then you also had ARM AI, which is another AI company that is very highly anticipated, is going to be going public. And that's an IPO that's been in the works for the last couple of years. And their rumors are that NVIDIA is going to be a lead anchor investor in the IPO itself. So NVIDIA is going to be making a substantial investment into ARM AI as the anchor investor in the IPO. That's another catalyst for NVIDIA, right? Not only is that a catalyst for NVIDIA, it's a catalyst for the entire AI space. It brings excitement back into AI. NVIDIA is the AI leader and the AI king. When you think of AI, you think of NVIDIA. And at the same time, you had yesterday's CPI data, which is the inflation data, come in drastically under expectations, which sent technology stocks and the overall market and the NASDAQ flying. So all of these things line up for the stars to align for a breakout move in NVIDIA. This is how you need to start thinking about things when you're trying to orchestrate your trades. You're trying to determine what trades deserve my attention, what trades deserve my money, what trades are going to give me the best chance to make money. So NVIDIA was my number one trade idea yesterday, and we got long yesterday. We held it into today, and it was a monster. Triple-digit gains for members. Some members over 200% gain for some members on this NVIDIA position. Let's go back and let's recap the trade. It all goes back to 428. And again, if you guys caught the live stream yesterday, you already saw this, but I'll recap it for those of you that missed it. 428 was the buy price. Why is 428 the buy price? Well, if we know we want to be long, all you need to do, if you know you want to be long a stock because of the reasons that I just went through, if you know you want to be long, look for a support level that you can buy in front of. So yesterday, NVIDIA was trading around 429, 429.50 before the market opened. So I said, okay, where's my first support level? It's 428 right here, double top. See that resistance right there, double top at 428? So that used to be resistance. Now we're gapping above it. So now we look for it to become support. That's technical analysis 101. Resistance when broken becomes support and vice versa true as well. So we said, if the stock gets to 428, I'm going to buy it. Well, yesterday, the stock dropped to 427.77, and I bought the stock at 428.68, right there. So right there, right. I didn't waste any time. This was my number one trade idea for the day. I said, I'm buying the stock at 428. We got at 428.64, 428.68. Okay, those are fills on NVIDIA. And then we got the move there to the upside. The stock just absolutely exploded. Members jumped in. Some got into this Friday's expiration, 430 strike call. Some members got in next week's expiration, 430 strike call. And it's just an unbelievable rally, because if we got through 432, this stock then has room up to the 440. We took a ton of profit off yesterday, right? We just kept on this breakout move yesterday. We just kept taking profits off on NVIDIA in the morning. And then we said, hey, I'm going to hold the rest of this position. I'm looking for a breakout to new all-time highs today. So that was the game plan. So we took profits off yesterday, but still held some. Again, guys, don't go back and watch the live stream from yesterday. We went over this entire thing for you guys yesterday, talking about this move today. And then today we come in and the stock gaps up to new all-time highs today as PPI inflation data comes in under expectations and initial jobless claims come in under expectations. We get a gap up to new all-time highs, and the rest is history. Just an unbelievable breakout rally in NVIDIA. The stock is up another $23, trading higher after the close. I am now completely out of the position. I close this position out. You got to get off the train at some point. Could this stock go to 500? You bet your ass it could. I'll trade it again, but this is an easy over 100% gain for us in True Trading Group. I'm very pleased. I'm very happy with the trade, and it just could not have gone any better. So just congratulations, all of our members, on capitalizing on this NVIDIA trade.